question is given that A is equal to 2x, then we have 3, then we have 4, then we have negative 1, and the determinant of is 12. Question now is find A, X, B, the inverse of A. So, we have been given the determinant of this matrix, and this determinant, you can say solution here. This determinant of A has been given to us, and it is 12. And we know that from this matrix A, our determinant will be, you multiply the entries in the major diagonal, 2x by 4, minus the entries in the minor diagonal, which is 3 times negative 1. So here we can see that this will give us 8x minus, this minus is the one which is here, then 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. We remove the brackets, we are going to get 8x plus 3. Now, remember that our determinant is given, meaning where there is this determinant, we know what to replace. So we are going to say 12 equals 8x plus 3. Collecting like terms, 3 is positive, come this side. So we are going to have 12 minus 3 equals 8x, which implies that 9 equals 8x. The space now. So now we say over 8 over 8, so that our x is equal to 9 over 8. 9 over 8 here. So our A, we are looking at solution B. Our A, matrix A will look like 2. Where there is x, now we have 9 over 8. The rest will remain the way they are. The rest entries. My matrix A will be 2 here 1, 2 here 4. So I'm going to have 9 over 4, 3, negative 1, and 4. Therefore, the inverse, remember, that the inverse is 1 over the determinant. So I'll say therefore, the inverse of A, 1 over the determinant. We don't need to find the determinant because it is already given, 1 over 12. Then we swap the entries in the major diagonal, we swap them. Then we change the signs of the entries in the minor diagonal. If it's a negative, change it to a positive. It's a positive, let it be a negative.